As Chuck Senrick sang in his album Dreaming in 1976, it's a grey day. There's nothing you can do but say, hey, it's a grey day. Very profound sentiment there, Chuck, but a bit defeatist if you don't mind me saying. I mean, you could cheer yourself up just by watching Monday Matters right here on Gary's Stuff. Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today, indeed, is Monday Matters. As usual, I'll be having a quick look at what's in the news. I'll have a quick catch-up of what I've been up to on my bench. And, of course, I'll be talking about this week's kit of the week. All these bits come as chapters. You can hop backwards and forwards as your heart desires. Now, if you like the show, and I hope you do, please give it the old imperial thumbs up on the like button below because every like counts. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, won't cost you a penny, but it means you'll get notified of all my future content as it is published. And of course, if you'd like to offer a bit more concrete support, you can do that through any of my partner programs. Details are in the information box below. Now, before we start this week, I just wanted to congratulate someone on winning the Gaahleri GHA D68 airbrush, the trigger style airbrush. That person is Zamo1036. Zamo1036. Get in touch with me by email on the address here below. Tell me what your postal address is and either your email address or phone number because they need that for the DHL or whatever it is. And Gaahleri will dispatch the airbrush to you free of charge. Wherever you are in the world, they'll get it to you. If you're in the UK, or probably takes about 3-4 days, maybe something like that. Anyway, congratulations, Zamo1036, and get in touch, and you'll be getting a new Gaahleri airbrush. Thank you so very much to my friends at Gaahleri for providing the prize. Now, enough of that. Let's make a start on the news of the week. Of course, the big news of the week was the 2024 range launch from AIRFIX. The new toolkits include the Chinook in 1/72 scale, the B24 Liberator in 1/72, and the Bristol Bulldog biplane in 1/48, while new starter sets include the BF-109, the P-51, the Eurofighter Typhoon, and the Shannon class lifeboat. Vintage classic releases will include the Hamden, the Belvedere helicopter, the P-1127 prototype, and the impressive 1/24 scale Mustang. Full details of what was being launched can be found on my launch report, plus check out what AIRFIX have to say for themselves when I interviewed Head of Brand Dale Luckhurst and Design Manager Matt Whiting. HOBBYBOSS is just releasing their 1/48 scale B24 Liberator, but has also announced some more new aircraft in the same scale. No visuals yet, but expect a new tooling of the BF-109 in E3, E4 and E7 variants, a Focke-Wulf FW190 A6 and an A8, and the F-35 Lightning II in A, B and C versions. On dry land, TAKOM has released the box art of their 3 Hetzer variants in 1/35 scale that I mentioned last week. I am sure they'll sell absolutely loads of these. From Kitform Services comes this lovely SAS Pink Panther Land Rover in 1/24 scale, complete with all the attendant baggage and armament. Offshore now, and AFV Club has announced a 1/700th scale kit of the Taiwanese Cheng Kung class frigate with launchers for the Xiangfeng missiles and a 500 MD helicopter. And finally, if you've got a Revell Razor Crest and want to jazz it up, then TIRYDIUM Models has a lighting set controlled by a chip. It has running lights and even an engine startup sequence. On my bench this week, I have been building the Messerschmitt BF109Z, the Zwilling, in 1/72 scale from A model. I really enjoyed building this. It goes together remarkably well considering, it's a low pressure injection kit. And I'm just finishing editing that video right now. So the construction video of that will be imminently on the channel. I've also been working on, among many other things, the Messerschmitt ME262 Night Fighter. Just got some paint masks for that, so I've been painting that over the weekend. Before the end of the week, that will be coming up on the channel as well. And there's one or two other things on the way as well. So there's quite a lot of production happening. Of course, the week was really dominated by the launch of AIRFIX's range on Tuesday. Obviously had the range launch video, then I had an interview, did have a live stream, wasn't intended to do a live stream, but the software meant I had to do it as a live stream, and it worked, I think, pretty well for a first go. And then I did an edited version later in the day with some more visuals and stuff like that. So that covered that quite nicely. Looking forward to quite a few of those kits coming out, by the way. Anyway, that's all done and dusted now. And of course, that brings me on to this week's kit of the week. And I'm continuing my own personal little Luftwaffe theme here with the Heinkel 8162A Volksjäger in 1/72 scale. This is from AZ model. Now, of course, there's going to be a box opening that's already been shot and edited. That will go up later in the week. And then, of course, there's going to be the build video, which should be able to catch before the end of the week as well. All of this is happening very soon. How will you know when it's there? Well, the best thing to do, of course, is to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and at no cost to you, you'll be notified of all my future releases as they are made. And of course, it supports the channel without costing you a penny. And anything you do see on my channel that you like, please do give it the old imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. Thank you so very much for watching today. Hope to see you again very soon on the channel. Take good care now, and goodbye.